Hi guys, today we'll be doing a comparison between the Playmates Star Trek First Contact Starfleet Type 2 phaser from 1996 compared to the Star Trek Insurrection Starfleet Type 2 phaser from 1998. So here are the boxes. Front and back. As you can see, the First Contact one has a silver pearlescent look with a blue top, while this one is a flat matte gray with a green matte finish, silver matte gray. Alright, now let's see what they look like out of box. As you can tell, the First Contact 1996 phaser is a baby blue. It has a pearlescent shine to it, silver button here, a translucent blue screen, power screen. However, the Insurrection one, 1998 version, it is a painted green, and it's not silver anymore. It's around this light matte gray, white buttons here, and then kind of like a light white gray here. Back here, this does says 1998, 1996 here, and I would like to show you, well, actually, let's do this first. So that's, I believe, stun, and then disrupt. So I do like the lighting on this screen much better on the First Contact. So this is still a disrupt. And then stun. I think I do like I do like the sounds on the Insurrection one a little bit better. I wish there were more modes. And let's check. There is difference in the insides here. Thought I'd show you guys real quick. So here, it is much easier to put batteries in the First Contact one because the other one I'll show you, it's not as easy for some reason. So this one is very tight, and there's a spring right here. I'm not even gonna take it. It was difficult to take it. Well, to put it in to begin with. So there's ups and downs for both. So it's up to your preferences. So if you want more show accurate one, probably you would go for the Insurrection one. However, the First Contact one is, in my opinion, more toyetic and just the screen looks just much better. So, all right. Thank you guys again. That is our review. And the first contact one was pre-owned, while this one was brand new, unopened just recently, like momentarily actually. All right, guys. Thank you guys again so much. Please like and subscribe. Live long and prosper. Have a great day.